This video tutorial I will explain what is single sign-on and why do we need a single sign-on. Single sign-on is an authentication scheme where user can securely authenticate and gain access to multiple applications and websites by only logging in with single username and password. For example, once you log into the Google account, you can access other Google applications like Google Doc, Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube, etc. Without SSO solution, the website maintains username and password or credential in the database. Each time user log into the website, it checks the user's credential against the database, and if it is valid, then it authenticates the user. With the SSO solution, the website does not store login credential in its database. Instead, SSO makes use of a shared cluster of authentication servers, where users are only required to enter their login credential once for authentication. With this feature of one login and multiple access, it is very crucial to protect login credential in SSO systems. Hence, it is highly recommended to integrate SSO with other strong authentication like smart tokens or one-time passwords to achieve multi-factor authentication. Here we will see the SSO authentication flow step by step. The step 1 is user enters login credential on the website, and the website checks if the user has already been authenticated by SSO solution. If so, the SSO solution would give the user access to the website. Otherwise, it presents the user with SSO solution for login. Then user enters username and password on the SSO solution. The third step is user login credentials are sent to SSO solution. The fourth step is SSO solution seeks authentication from identity provider such as Active Directory to verify the user identity. Once the user's identity is verified, the identity provider sends a verification to the SSO solution. The fifth step is authentication information is passed from SSO solution to the website, where the users will be granted access to the website. The sixth step is upon successful login with SSO, the website passes authentication data in the form of tokens as a form of verification that the user is authenticated and the user can navigate to different application or web page. Here we will see the advantages of SSO. SSO increased convenience for users as they only need to remember and key in login information only one time. And SSO reduce IT cost for managing customers' username and passwords. Disadvantages of SSO is the authentication systems must have high availability. If the authentication system is not available, then the application which depends on authentication system will malfunction and it won't work properly. That will create a lot of issues. You can get the Java source code link from the description section of the video. To see the description in mobile, click on this icon and it will expand like this. Then click on this more button to see the description. And in the description, you can see the links. And click on these links to get the Java source code.